Hi, welcome dear students. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am going to discuss about database, database management system and database talk. So first of all, what is database? Dat- a database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. For example, I'm going to explain about school management system. So, what will be the database? For example, database name be like NEHS, right? And a database is a collection of tables. You know. So there may be a table, different tables like a student's table. You know, there may be another table, class, subject. So a database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer. So database, example, school attendance register, voters list, railway ticket. So these are example of the application, button application. Also, now chapter 7 you will learn about database MS Access. So database management system before MS Access 2007 the file extension was .mdb. No, but in MS Access 2007 the extension has been changed to .accdb extension. So all of you are familiar with the extension. Now like to explain another topic, that is what is database management system. So database management system involves creating, modifying, deleting and adding data in a database. The software that performs this function is called database management system. So in database management system, we creating, modifying, deleting, and adding data in a database. So, as you know, database is a collection of tables, multiple table within a certain database. What will be the record? For example, record may be a student record. So I'm going to store the student's record of class 7 records. I will discuss the all the entries about table, field, all these, so that that way you will understand better. So first of all, a database management system involves creating, modifying, deleting, and adding data in the database. And the software that performs this function is called database management system. Let's do it. So now, example of database DBMS. Some of the popular database that we are going to use in this chapter, Microsoft Access and MySQL are the example of a DBMS software. So database management systems organize all the data so that it can be retrieved easily whenever needed. And the popular database system, DBMS software, Microsoft Access, and MySQL. Now, what is tables? The information in a database is represented in the tabular form so that a specific piece of information can be accessed if a reference point is known. So the main component of database are fields, records, and tables. So database, the collection of tables, and tables, it may be the student tables, and what will be the field? And main component of database are fields, records, and tables. So field, for example, I'm going to store when you're going to store information like roll number, name, name, date of birth, email, phone number. So the records, so we can say the a database contains number of tables. You know, now fields. A field is the basic unit of data in a database. A field stores a single piece of information of a particular data type. Data type, all of you are familiar with the data type. For example, I'm going to store a numeric data. No, data, if you're going to store the data character for name, for when we are going to store the name, it, so the users can only enter a specific type. They are not allowed to enter the numeric data. So data type is required. You must set the data type when we're going to create a field. Name, date of birth, phone numbers. We'll discuss in details the different data you can, different types of data you can store in a table. So now, records. What is records? Fields are combined to form records. A set of records with the same field are collected together in a table. Now, a table can be defined as two-dimensional representation of data using rows and columns. So, fields were able to understand table, fields. Fields may be name, roll number, and date of birth, name, email ID, all these. So we can create a number of column field as you already created in Excel for table heading, that is name, roll number, date of birth. So these are the field column. And now uh, fields are combined to form records. So a set of records with the same field are collected together in a table. So now I'm going to explain again. For example, what is the name of the database? Name of the database is the NEHS, and the table name we like students table. Students and the column fields of the table like we are going to create a student table. Now we can student tables, the entity, that is the fields, should be roll number. We can add roll number, we can add name, date of birth, email ID, all the information related to a student. So a student table contains number of fields, and we can store the can store all the information of, for example, I'm going to also section is important, class and section. Only then we are able to distinguish. If you want to find out the highest marks of class 7, you know we'll discuss this in details, how to find the query, how to use a form report. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you are able to understand the terms which I explained in this video. Thanks.